there, are you ready to sell on Amazon? This video will tell you the most important aspects, starting from finding the product, opening the Sell Central account, finding the way to ship your products, till advertising and how to create the perfect listing. So let's start. The first thing is finding your product. There are plenty of videos online where you can see how to find a product on Jungle Scout or Helium, having different criteria, but it's not the most important. First, you really need to understand the product. Many people sell what they like, what they buy, or what they use. I see a lot of examples where athletes are selling different equipment for the sports that they have been using in the past because they know the product and it's the best thing. Think what you have used or what you would like to sell, and then see if there is a potential on Amazon. Search through the tools, again, like Helium, on the keyword volume and on the sales. Like in this little video, you can see it's actually for free to download the Helium and get the first trials and understand different competitors. Understand the demand and supply. If it is a good ratio, a lot of people are searching for the product and many sellers are having good revenues. That means that it can be a good match. I have been selling on Amazon for the last 8 years, and 6 years ago, together with my partner, we created an agency, INNELS. Each year we generate around $4.5 million for our clients in revenue, and we have created a community for like-minded sellers and brands. Join here, you will be able to see that there are a lot of different classes and free video tutorials that you can learn from, and also engage with other industry experts. Link below in the description. The second important part is to open a Sell Central account. It's quite easy, costs $40 a month. The most important that when you Google for sell on Amazon, choose the right market. If it is US, it's .com marketplace. If it's UK, it's .co.uk, Germany.de. Once you register the account there, feel free to reach out to us, and for free we help as an agency you to say what kind of documents you need. Again, many sellers face deactivations because of the wrong documents. The third is sourcing the product. It's important to see of Alibaba or other websites, as you can find plenty of options there. But recently, especially in the US, there are trade barriers and the manufacturing side in China became more expensive. Try to find different local European websites. Try to go to other countries like Vietnam, Thailand, and etc. If you sell the product, understand the category, and in the category that you sell, see who are the best manufacturing countries where you can find specific warehouses or manufacturing sites. And there are always different websites in each country that you can research. Don't only trust Alibaba as the most popular one. Once you have a product and Sell Central account, you need to create the product. And let's dive into one of our clients and understand what is the best product listing. You can see here that we scroll through the inventory and click on the random product, for example, Danish oil. You can see here that inside of Amazon, there are 6 or 7 different pictures. Always try to understand what is the best main image. Here, you really need to not only show the packaging, but have some text or have a little something on the back. For example, here you can also see a bigger carton packaging on the back. And here, as another competitor is selling, they have wood filler sticks. They show them from different angles. The main image, it's the most important one, should be 80% of the white background. And then you have different images, and they all need to be infographics, so there should be text on it. Try to stand out, try to compare products with other industry benchmarks. Try to, maybe if you go to a completely different product, try to see if there are lifestyle images, if they show a product you real use, and then people don't really read from the text here. This all should be optimized with the SEO keywords, which you really need to collect. This is the next step. But before I start to speak about the SEO and advertising, I want to show you the brand store. The brand store only can be created if you have a trademark in a country, and only if this trademark is registered in Amazon Brand Registry. The brand store is a unique way to show your brand, and no one else can be here except your products. But let's go back to the products and speak about the SEO. You can see here that we have a really long title. The title always need to say what is the product about, color or the material, the size of it, and many different things. Here we also say where it is manufactured, as Denmark is a European country, which is definitely an advantage. You definitely want to have reviews, and again, if you have a trademark, it's relatively easy. You can apply for such called wine program and give away away around 30 different products and then receive really trusted Amazon reviews and get first reviews. Otherwise, I don't suggest to do any other black hat tactics for reviews. When you are selling on Amazon, reviews are important, but don't think about them as you will be selling more and more items, and each 10 or each 20 customer will organically leave reviews. Years after years, you will build presence and think about Amazon more in a long term. When people have looked through the price, through the images, through the title, different variations, and maybe other advertising options here, they can scroll down and see the A+ content. This is an enhanced content that you can use many interesting images or other visuals, and it only helps to increase the organic rank and conversions on Amazon. You can also compare many different products, which is definitely a suggestion to do. Speaking about the logistics, once you have a manufacturing site, you need to ship products to Amazon, and there is one word, FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. It's a very efficient and also not so costly solution to handle your shipments, to handle returns, and Amazon even handles a basic customer service. When, for example, the package is damaged or lost, customers do not call you directly, but they call Amazon, which is great. However, if your product is very heavy or big, it can be a problem because the FBA fees can be quite expensive. In this case, we suggest to use the FBM, so your own shipment solutions. There are a lot of 3PL warehouses which can offer specific needs and specific details. For example, they can offer the separate pricing, a better pricing than Amazon for a big products, for example, for the furniture. If you need more information on this, we also have a link in our community on such warehouses. But even if you're an existing brand and have a great 3PL solution selling on your website or other channels, we still highly recommend to go outside of this comfort zone and try another warehouse, which is FBA. Because when you use Amazon warehouses, Amazon favors you and boosts your rank, and also has a little Prime badge on the side. Here's the picture where you can see that this Prime badge allows customers to get your products within 1-2 days and not paying for the shipment, which is increasing the conversions. And the last thing is advertising. For those who are absolutely new to Amazon Seller Central account, it works similar to what you see on Google. You pay per click, and once you have different keywords collected, you put them in the manual campaigns. If you don't have any keywords and you want to gather them and get help from Amazon, you have auto campaigns where Amazon is choosing randomly customers and showing your products to. The most important in these two campaigns, that when you gather new keywords or manually or from auto campaigns, you put them separately in the manual campaigns. And then you have different types of how broad or how exact you would like to show on a certain keyword your product. You can choose broad, and meaning that if people are searching for vitamin C, even if they're searching for vitamin C and other multivitamins as a keyword phrase, they will still be able to find your product because it's broad. For exact, they will only see your product only if they enter exactly vitamin C. I just spoke about the sponsored product campaigns, but there are also sponsored brand campaign and sponsored display for those who have a trademark, meaning that you can advertise your brand, meaning that you can advertise your brand store and even have a video inside the Amazon search, which we always utilize for the clients who have a trademark. And we really recommend to enter Amazon having a trademark. It's not really costly. In the US alone, it costs around $1,000 per one trademark, but it takes time, and it also takes time later on to build a great content with your brand. And this is the key. The content in 2025 and further on Amazon is the key. If you are having great budgets, it will not work if you don't have a content. And therefore, we suggest to have a great graphic designer, video, or photo shoot. Thanks for watching. That's it. We have much more in our community, and looking forward to see you in other videos. Bye.